Hey everyone, so there are 2 Orbs quests available that will give you a whopping 5,700 Orbs. First of all, this doesn't work on phone. I've tried it myself. Anyway, download Comet Browser first and open it on your PC. After that, download Discord PC app and keep it that way. Now, while we are at it, let's do the second quest that gives you 700 Orbs. There we go, we got this. Now you don't need to stay on Comet Browser app for the entirety. Just keep it open in the background and do anything you want, like watch YouTube video or chat or game until it reaches 100%. Anyway, I got it. Phone users, please don't ask random people to do this quest. You could get hacked. Ask your parents or real-life friends and borrow their PC. So that's how you get 5,700 Orbs. Easy peasy. If you like this short tutorial, hit the like and subscribe button.